Hello students, in this video for preparation of 12th Science Maharashtra Board, I am going to discuss about how to score good marks in physics. In this video, I am going to give you a certain tips and tricks like how to prepare your timetable, how to make the notes for physics, how to prepare yourself for numericals. Some important steps over here are set your goal. Second step, understand the exam pattern, syllabus or question paper pattern. Prepare the timetable for self-study. Read the textbook carefully. Make notes. Practice diagrams, definition, laws and derivation. Practice numericals. And last but not least, the revise entire. So here is the first step. Set your goal. That is how many marks you want to score. Whether you want to score 60, 70, 80 or 90 plus marks, that is what you have to decide, and accordingly you have to plan your study. Once you decide how many marks you want to score, then you have to understand the exam pattern. See, our exam is for 100 marks, which includes 70 marks theory and 30 marks practical. Now remember, in practical, most of the times students are given 25 plus marks. So remaining marks you have to score from your 70 marks theory. Now let us try to understand the question paper pattern over here. See, the physics question paper consists of 4 sections A, B, C, D. The section A has question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 consists of 10 multiple choice questions, out of which 7 questions are theory and 3 are numerical. Whereas question number 2 has got 8 1 marks but very short answer questions. It consists of 6 theory questions and 2 numericals. Whereas section B comprises of 12 questions, out of which you have to solve only 8. That is from question number 3 to 14. Again, they are short answer questions. Each question will be for 2 marks. It has 7 theory questions and 5 numericals. Section C is question number 15 to 26. Again, there are 12 questions, out of which you have to attempt 8 questions. Each question will be for 3 marks. It consists of 7 theory questions and 5 numericals. Whereas section D, 27 to 31, there are 4 questions over here, out of which you have to solve 3 questions. They are large answer questions, means include some derivation, etc. Whereas each question will be for 4 marks. Here the 3 questions consist of 2 marks theory and 2 marks numerical. So the total question paper will be for 70 marks, and with option it will be for 98 marks. Now let us see the chapter wise distribution of the marks over here. You can see our syllabus consists of total 16 questions. Each chapter has got 5 marks, and with option 7 marks are there. There are few chapters with 4 marks and 5 marks as an option. So accordingly you have to prepare all the chapters, because all the chapters are important, and from each chapter certain questions are going to be asked. So one has to prepare all the chapters nicely. Once you understand the exam pattern, question paper pattern and syllabus, you have to prepare the timetable. You have to plan your day. So you have to keep it in mind while planning the day that you have to keep 8 to 10 hours for sleep. Then you have to consider college as well as your tuition timings. And then you have to plan 3 to 5 hours of self-study in the timetable. Then you have to keep certain time for recreation as well as entertainment time. That is exercise, you can watch TV show, maybe for half an hour, or you can listen some music. This is just to fresh your mind. Now the next question which always asked to me by students is, which is a suitable time for study? Some people say it's morning, it's ideal time to memorize the formulae in physics. That is correct, because at that time everything is quite cool. Even some students prefer to night time uh, to study. So, but it depends upon your routine. But what is the proper way to study? See, while sitting for the studies, you have to sit it in this manner, and not, you are not supposed to sleep on the bed and study like this. See, while studying, you have to keep all the required things like pen, paper, notebook, textbook along with you, because you are not supposed to waste your time in searching all those things over here. Now, what is a study plan? See, while preparing the study plan, the first step you have to understand the syllabus and exam pattern. See, how many chapters are there? So, total number of chapters are 16. Generally, the exam will be in the month of February. So, how many months are remaining? This is June month. So, we have total 6 months in our hand. That is from July to December for a preparation. So these 16 chapters divided by 4 months. So if you prepare 3 to 4 chapters per month, it will be okay. So by November, you will be able to complete the entire syllabus, and you can use the last month, that is December, for the entire revision of the syllabus. Now what you are supposed to do once your planning is over? First step is you read your textbook carefully, because this will help you to understand the concepts over here. This will help you to improve your knowledge. It will help you in solving multiple choice questions as well as 1 mark questions. So you have to understand the solved numericals also inside the chapter, because same numericals can be asked to you but with little bit changes in the exam. Try to solve the questions and numericals from the exercise given below each chapter. See, regarding numericals, I will tell you one thing. Similar type of numericals will be asked to you in the exam. So you have to prepare all those numericals which are solved as well as unsolved in the chapter. While preparing the notes, you have to prepare the notes for last minute preparation also. These are short notes over here, written in a very short time. So this will include key concepts like definition, laws, etc. One has to maintain a formula list, one has to maintain a small diary for that, and you have to draw the diagrams, because the diagrams will be very helpful to you to write the derivations. Next step is avoid the pressure. See, for that you have to avoid the comparison with others. You have to avoid comparing in terms of study progress, level of preparation, or study hours, etc. with other, because it causes unnecessary stress upon you. You have to remember that you are unique over here, and the capability of each student will be different, and so the performance will be also different over here. We have to avoid the pressure, and we have to work positively so that performance can be improved. Very important step, that say no to social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram groups, chattings, etc. You please stay away from this, because that creates unnecessary distraction. Your mind gets diverted from your studies, and your time will get wasted. Now, very important part, that is how to practice the numericals. See, first and important step, make the formula book and memorize all the formulae. See, just making the formula book is of no use. You have to write down the formulae from each and every chapter over here, and every day you have to memorize them, which is very useful because while solving the numericals, you must be able to recall the correct formula. So read the numerical carefully and mark the given information inside the numerical. Find out what is given and what is to be calculated. Then you have to find out the correct formula which relates the given and what is to be calculated over there. Then substitute all the values with correct unit and get the answer. You can make use of log table if the calculations are complicated and solve all the numericals given in the exercise. See, numericals which are going to be asked in board exam are going to be straightforward. They are substitution type examples over here. So no need to take any tension or any pressure as far as numericals are concerned. So you have to practice all the numericals which are given in the exercise as well as solved numericals also you have to read carefully. The similar type of numericals are going to be asked to you in your board exam. Now, you have prepared the timetable, you have understood the syllabus, you have understood how to practice, you have to understood how to make the notes, etc. But the last but not least is the time management. See, what is the time management over here? You have to consider how many time you will be, how much time you will get. See, for 70 marks paper, you have 3 hours, that is 180 minutes. So each mark will be 180 divided by 70, that is 2.5 minutes. So you have to try to solve the questions accordingly. That means writing practice, while doing writing practice, you have to keep it in mind. For 1 mark question, you can use 2 or 2.5 minutes. If it is 2 mark question, you have to complete in 4 or 5 minutes. 3 marks question, you have to complete within 6 to 7 minutes. And 4 mark question, you can use 8 to 10 minutes like that. Then you have to practice chapter wise question papers. This is very, very important thing. You can get those chapter wise question papers from certain books which are available in the market as well as notes which are available in the market from different publishers. You can solve previous year question papers. That is very important thing. You can solve the model question papers. You have to solve at least 4 to 5 full length, that is 70 marks entire syllabus paper from practice point of view. So what happens generally, because if you are fully prepared, you will find in case of physics paper, time is not enough. And that's why you must learn how to manage the time over here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more such information.